Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ida and I do cleaning and organizing videos. Today I have a special PR for you guys. This is very beautiful light for babies, for little kids. This is an amazing efficient LED light. I chose this one because you can choose any shape you like, but this one is beautiful, you guys. Toy lamp. This is amazing. If you have children, they're gonna love it. Danny loved it so much. It changed like a lot of colors, like rainbow colors. I'll show you how it works. This is so soft. They can play with it while it helps them lighten up their room, especially at night time. When they go to the bathroom, they need some light, so they don't have to get up and turn on their light. This will be like on all the time. You're gonna love it, you guys. And then they choose their own color. And to change the color, all you need to do is just put your hand around here and it will sense and change the color. So I'll show you how to do that. كرات حواتكم قاعدة حل متأخون لو ما عندك سبيشال زغنت PR حزلكم متألهو السوق متأوتي مبرهتنا يقولعت مالتيا تشارجي خط قبرة كمي كم تسرح كعني ببحث خريقكم مالتي. Okay guys, the light is rechargeable, so I already charged it before I try it. To change the light, only you need to use your palm of your hand and then it will sense you and change the light as you want. Okay, كبرات حوات إذا charge تخون مالتيو charge مقبر اللي واخد جناي تليفون charge جريء already حجيد لعنيو charge جيركم أفتنا يدقهم مدركسي أو تقوم تقولهم تقوليهم كتغيروا تليلكم حبرقة بيدكم جيركم لو تبلوا تقوليهم. It's all you need is your hand to change colors. You see, this is kind of reddish pink. It's green. I don't know if you can see it. It sends your hand and change colors. So I just want to show you that. Thanks Tobelife for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested, I will leave Tobelife information on the description box. Please check them out. كبرات حوات فتيخ باتهونكم نزيئة لامب نايقولت متعات مالتيو أبزي description box كقدفلكم هي ناتهم information check برواميهم زي أني راني لومي يغني اللي حواتي. Thanks for watching. I love you all so much.